Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today let's take a fascinating journey through history and see how wars have dramatically reshaped the landscapes of various countries over the past 50 years. We'll explore the profound transformations that have occurred. From economic upheavals to cultural shifts, wars leave a lasting impact long after the last gun falls silent. Let's start with Vietnam, a country that has seen significant changes over the decades. Before the Vietnam War, which ended in 1975, Vietnam was largely an agricultural society with rice paddies stretching as far as the eye could see. Fast forward to today, and Vietnam has one of the fastest growing economies in Southeast Asia. The bustling cityscapes and modern infrastructure are a testament to its remarkable economic growth. Despite the rapid modernization, Vietnam has managed to preserve its rich cultural heritage, with traditional festivals and customs still playing a vital role in society. The scars of war have transformed into the strength of resilience, leading to booming industries and a thriving tech sector. Moving over to Afghanistan, Afghanistan is a country that has faced decades of conflict, starting from the Soviet invasion in 1979 through civil wars to recent conflicts. The constant state of war has left deep marks on its landscape and society. This constant state of war severely affected its infrastructure and development, leaving behind a trail of destruction and hardship. However, in the wake of this adversity, Afghanistan has seen significant growth in education, especially for girls, and improvements in healthcare. These advancements are a beacon of hope for the future. Afghanistan's rich cultural heritage and traditions have also endured, with efforts to preserve and celebrate its history continuing despite the challenges. Next, let's talk about Kuwait, a nation that has undergone a remarkable transformation. After the Gulf War in the early 90s, Kuwait has capitalized on its oil wealth to rebuild and modernize. The skyline of Kuwait City today, with its gleaming skyscrapers, is a testament to its remarkable recovery and economic transformation. The economic recovery of Kuwait is evident in its modern infrastructure and thriving business environment, showcasing the nation's resilience and strategic planning. Despite the rapid modernization, Kuwait has managed to retain its cultural identity, with traditional markets and cultural events continuing to be an integral part of Kuwaiti life. Now, turning to Bosnia and Herzegovina, a country that has also seen significant changes post-conflict. The landscape post the Bosnian War in the 90s tells a story of recovery and reconciliation. The efforts to rebuild and heal have been monumental, with communities coming together to restore their homeland. Today, Bosnia and Herzegovina is a burgeoning tourist destination, known for its stunning landscapes and historical sites. The country's ability to heal and rebuild is truly inspiring. Each of these countries demonstrates the incredible human spirit to overcome and adapt. The stories of resilience and adaptation are a testament to the strength and determination of the people. The impact of war is undeniable and often tragic, but the stories of recovery and resilience continue to inspire and teach us the importance of peace and understanding. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more historical insights. Until next time, keep exploring the past to understand the present.